In today's business landscape, you have to have a great IT team to keep your company operating smoothly. But if IT isn't your primary business, then you'll likely encounter some challenges that can distract you from your mission and cost you money. What's the solution? A managed IT department from IT Pros Management. We're a team of IT professionals that help businesses and nonprofits solve, manage, and preempt IT problems. With our managed IT department, you'll get a team of experienced professionals to help you navigate the constantly evolving technology world. This includes access to business continuity services, cybersecurity solutions, 24/7 support, and so much more. A managed IT department can save you up to 43% on costs associated with employing internal IT staff, like payroll, benefits, training, and other expenses. Best of all, you get your dedicated IT team for just one flat monthly fee. No hidden costs, no hourly rates, no outrageous monthly bills. Our pricing is transparent and predictable. IT Pros Management is your strategic business partner that provides both solutions and support. Schedule your free no-obligation consultation. Contact IT Pros Management today at 866-487-7671.